Schoology has a very helpful feature for those of you who teach more than one section of the same class. For example, if you teach two sections of 6th grade Bible, it only works if you have two of the same class. But what happens is that, as you know, if you have two sections of the same class, if you add materials to one class, you have to then go and add them to the other class. You either copy them or just do it again. If you add a quiz or a test or an assignment or whatever, you have to do it to both classes separately. This feature in Schoology is called linking sections. And when you link sections, the two sections of your class, or however many you have, are treated as one class. And so when you add something to one, it goes to all of them at the same time. Now, you have the ability to separate that if you need to, but the key is that you don't have to. You can treat each class, you can treat all of your classes together and do things as one. And so here's what that ends up looking like when you link your sections together. If I go to my foreign language sections, I don't have assignments or grades in them, but this will show you what it ends up looking like. You notice it says foreign language, and here are all the sections, the times that people might be taking assignments. And if I add something, it's going to go to all those sections at once. If I look in my grade book, now your grade book is still kept separate, okay? But you notice there's a pull down here for the different sections so that I can see the grades of section 2, section 3, and so on. I don't have to change courses. I don't have to go up here to change courses. I can just do it here. But a lot of the stuff that I have to do, like if I'm adding materials, that is going to all of my sections. Okay, now the important thing for this, and this is crucial, okay, if you're going to do this, you must do it before you begin adding materials to the sections. Okay, what happens is if you have started adding materials or you've started doing things for the new semester, and then if you decide, oh, let me link these sections together, you'll find that the materials are going to disappear and you'll have to add them back again. So do this before you do anything else. Okay, you know that you're going to have two sections of 6th grade Bible or whatever. Link them before you start doing any other work in that class. So here's how you link sections. Go to your Courses menu. Go down here to See All. Okay, when you go down to See All, you will see all the courses that you are scheduled to teach listed here. So you want to link a couple of sections. Here's my office productivity applications, and let's say that I want to link these two sections together. Well, I'm going to start with the one, I'm going to go to the one that I think, okay, which one is my primary class? And that might be your first section. But pull down the gear icon beside it. It says Link Existing Section. And it says select the sections you want to link to this. So if I were going to do this, I would just click there, and then I would click Link Sections. Okay. Now, I'm not going to click it here because I don't want to do that for various reasons, but if I were going to do that, that's what I would do here. I would select that, click Link Sections. And so then the result is going to be like I showed you with my foreign language. Okay, you will see all of the sections listed here. And so when you add materials, you would add them to all the sections at once. So let me show you an example. Okay, I'm going to add an assignment, and we'll give this a name, Test on Foreign Language. Okay, you do all the things you normally do. Okay, set it up the way you usually set it up. But now, down here, availability and dates, okay, here is where you say, okay, for all the sections, if this is going to have a due date of December 16th, okay, if you do that, then it's going to put them in all those sections. But let's say that your Section 1 class is a little bit ahead of your Section 2 class, and so that assignment is going to be due at a different date. Well, you can do that right here. Click Select Sections to Customize, and you can say, well, I want Section 1A to be due on the 17th. Everyone else on the 16th. Or you can set it up however you want to set it up. Okay, and so then the students in Section 1A are going to see that assignment on the 17th. Everyone else is going to see it on the 16th. And so then you would click Create, and it would do it just the way you set it up. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. I think it's helpful because it'll save you some time with your courses. Now, like I say, it's crucial, though, if you're going to do this, do it before you start adding any materials to your classes, okay, or you'll lose those materials. Especially, do not do this after you have started grading materials, because those grades will disappear. It's easy enough to replace materials if you add materials and you link them, and then you have to go back and do it again. But if you have started grading things, do not link your sections together. Just wait until next year or the next semester. So I hope this is helpful, and be sure and let me know if you have any questions.